Now, you see it's like broken. Now, I'm going to fix this thing with my knee medicine. There we go. There is no keycap, and the thing I was going to use just rolled off. Time to get another. Okay, so this time we're not going to put it on the table. Now, there is no rubber key cup in here, which we need to make the key springy. That's where this comes in. Now, here we have the language of the gods being spoken. That was the sound of the second one in a row falling on the floor. Now, here we have the polycement. So I can't open the polycement. Good thing that we have super glue. Like, I was gonna make a joke about this, but I really can't actually get this cap off at all. So after 8 minutes and 6 seconds, I finally found a third glue. There we go. Uh-oh. No. So as you can now see, I have a ball of knee medicine glued onto my desk. How do I clean this up? Uh-oh. Glue is on the ball. Uh-oh. Oh god, it just went everywhere. How do I get it off the tweezers? Uh-oh, help. Uh-oh, no. In case you're watching this and you're like, should I get a laptop? Do not get a laptop. This damn key is the bane of my existence. Please focus on the key. Come on. As you could probably tell, this is not the first repair I've made, judging by the fact that I have managed to inadvertently glue all of the super glue caps onto the bottles. Here's number 4. Please go off of the tweezers. There we go. That ought to do it. So now, all I have to do is get the keycap back on, which is actually the easiest part. Now, while we wait for this affront to engineers everywhere to finish drying, I thought I'd let you guys take a look at whatever the fresh hell of Bel Air is going on down here. Now, let me turn the brightness up a little bit. I have not 1, but 2 balls of medicine super glued to the floor under my desk because of me trying to fix my keyboard. So we're gonna go get to work on this. Yeah, it looks dry enough. Just press. Uh-oh. We can't put the key back on the keyboard. Balls of knee medicine are not springy. My goodness, it works. As you can see, I can finally press C again, and I'm actually not pressing C! It's just gonna go now. It's gonna type C forever. I think I broke it even more than it already was. So here we go, we're just gonna take it off again. Now there's the matter of unsupergluing something. Uh-oh, how do I get this off? Oh, and then there's the matter that, this is medicine that you put in your mouth. Then there's, Gorilla Glue, which you most certainly do not put in your mouth. I need to safely dispose of this ball. No one will ever know that it's here, because no one ever cleans down here.